Hello guys! Today we are going to make panna cotta. Right, so we need 300 ml of cream, 400 ml of coconut milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder, and 1/2 cup of warm water. Right, so I am going to mix the water and the gelatin powder. Give it a mix and make sure that the gelatin powder is dissolved. And then I am going to set this aside. I am now going to add the sugar in and the coconut milk. And keep stirring this until the sugar is dissolved. So you don't really need to bring this to a boil, and make sure it's in a low heat. Otherwise, the coconut milk is going to split. And then we can now add in the gelatin mixture. And keep stirring this for a few minutes. So when it's cooled down, we can now put it into molds. Put them in the fridge and let it set for 4 hours. So after 4 hours, we can now unmold this. And then we can add in some passion fruit syrup just to cut the sweetness. Here we go. This is our coconut milk panna cotta.